Most of the time people never have nothing positive to say about the police force, but since of lately the police come up with a new crime plan, and especially in this region of Jamaica, St. James, Montego Bay, the new crime plan help the community drastically. We see a reducing of crime, murder rate, and the community come alive, more businesses are open up, etc. What you have to say about that?
The crime rate, when come on to killing, has gone down. I give it an A1+. Yeah.
Most of the crime them cut down same way, so you see me? Yeah man, that's the best thing about it.
I'm pleased with not hearing much abuse. Yeah, like abuse of citizens.
From the police force?
Yes, law-abiding citizens. I appreciate that also.
Really and truly, so far them are going good.
Look how the community come to life. Look how much business are open up. You see me?
In some part, yeah, good in a certain way, yes, but some of the police them on the other and a pussy.
And everyone I police them body in my general, you have some good police out the same way. You see me? So we just work with the good one them, the bad one them. Go along about them business, yeah, man.
Yeah, them not do them job, yes. Because if the police force, we have to run a long time enough, we have to take care of ourselves, you know. You understand? Because from the youth, see with something and they want him to come feet, you know. Yeah, man, they do a good job, man. Just keep it up.
So one after the good cops, them, just continue to do what they do straight. Father God bless you, keep up a good work. Straight, yeah.
You corrupt cop, you see you have put a bad name on the force.
You catch all of that? You see me?
Yeah.
You see me still?
In my estimation, first I talk about life, which is the most precious and important thing given to man.